Let's talk about crypto burnout. You know that feeling, checking charts every hour, jumping into trades based on a tweet, watching your coin crash right after you bought it. I've been there, and the truth is, that kind of trading will wear you down. I almost quit crypto altogether, until I found something that worked with me, not against me. It's called the crypto code. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why it's the only system I still use. It starts with wavebot, a fully automated crypto bot that runs 24/7 and looks for profitable trades based on real patterns and strategies. No hype, no guessing, just smart automation. Then there are the premium trade alerts, with exact entry and exit signals and a win rate of over 84%. I don't need to analyze charts or predict the market. I just copy the trade, let it run, and move on. But the real magic, it's the structure. You get full video training. You get the creator's real-time portfolio. You get a support group with coaches and people who actually trade this stuff every day. It's not just some theory. It's a full blueprint, and it's made for people who don't want to burn out trying to get ahead in crypto. I'm telling you, this system saved me from quitting. And it might just help you actually enjoy crypto again. If you want to see how it works, I put together a free guide that shows you how to automate your first crypto campaign in just 1 hour, even if you're brand new. The link's in the description. It's free. Download it and see what this system can do for you.